First question is the Kashful Mahjoob was written by. Its answer is option A, Hazrat Ali Hajweri. Next question. Who reviewed the famous book The Indian Mussalmans in 1872? Its answer is option A, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Next question. Government of India Act passed on. Its answer is option A, 2nd August 1858. Next question. The book Khutbat-e Ahmadiyya is written by. Its answer is option D, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Next question. Indian Independence Act was enforced on. Its answer is option C, 15 August 1947. Next question. Allama Iqbal, Allama Muhammad Iqbal delivered his famous Allahabad address in. Its answer is option B, 1930. Next question. At the time of independence, which community was in majority in the state of Kashmir? Its answer is option A, Muslim. Next question. Which state was attacked by India on 11th September 1948? Its answer is option A, state of Hyderabad, Deccan. Next question. In which year the Kashmiris started their freedom movement against Dogra rule before the partition of the subcontinent? Its answer is option B, 1930. Next question. In which of the following cities Indian National Congress was formed? Its answer is option B, Bombay. Next question. How many articles are there in 1973 Constitution? Its answer is option D, 280 articles. And the next question is in Constitution 1973, who were declared non-Muslims? Its answer is option A, Qadians. Next question. When did Fatima Jinnah join All India Muslim League? Its answer is option A, 1939. Next question. Pakistan national flag was prepared by. Its answer is option D, Amiruddin Kadwai. Next question. Pakistan first coin was issued on. Its answer is option C, 3rd January 1948. Next question. Where the biggest salt mine located in Pakistan? Its answer is option B, Jhelum. Next question. The longest river in Pakistan is. Its answer is option B, River Sindh. Next question. Which is the national flower of Pakistan? Its answer is option C, jasmine. Next question. Which is the national bird of Pakistan? Its answer is option D, chakor. Next question. Who started the Farsi movement? Its answer is option A, Haji Shariatullah. Next question. What age was prescribed for president in 1956 Constitution? Its answer is option A, 40 years. Next question. In respect of religion, that term was set off for president and prime minister in 1956 Constitution. Its answer is option A, he may be a Muslim. Next question. What was the official language declared in 1956 Constitution? Its answer is option D. Next question. Who abrogated 1956 Constitution? Its answer is option C, Skandar Mirza. Next question. When the first constitution was abrogated by and martial law was proclaimed? Its answer is option C, October 1958. Next question. When Ayub Khan enforced new constitution in Pakistan? Its answer is option D, 8th June 1962. Next question. Which kind of system of government was introduced by the 1962 elections constitution? Its answer is option B, presidential. Next question. When the constitution of 1962 was abrogated? Its answer is option A, 26th March 1969. Next question. Who abrogated 1962 constitution and became CMLA? Its answer is option D, General Yahya Khan. And the next question. When Mr. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto launched a new constitution in the country? And the answer is option B, 14 August 1973. And the next question. Who was the first president of Constituent Assembly of Pakistan? Its answer is option B, Qaid-e-Azam. Next question. After how many years Pakistan got its first constitution? Its answer is option C, 9 years. Next question. What document was firstly drafted to give peace to the constitution making process? Its answer is option D, object resolution. Next question. When Constituent Assembly passed the objective resolution? Its answer is option B, 12th March 1949. Next question. When Muhammad Ali Bogra presented Bogra formula in the assembly? Its answer is option D, October 1953. Next question. Who was Muhammad Ali Bogra? Its answer is option A, Prime Minister of Pakistan. Next question. What is the other name of Muhammad Ali Bogra formula? Its answer is option D, Constitution formula. Next question. When did first constitution of Pakistan was enforced? Its answer is option B, 23rd March 1956. Next question. Who was the Prime Minister of Pakistan during enforcement of first constitution? Its answer is option C, Chaudhry Muhammad Ali. Next question. What official name was given to Pakistan in 1956 constitution? Its answer is option D, Islamic Republic of Pakistan. So इस वीडियो में इतना ही। मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने और सुनने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। शुक्रिया।